My name is Floyd Warren. I'm owner-operator of Suncoast Diesel Marine. We've been in business since '92. 2003 is when it really took off. And then we bought this place, hired my daughter and trained her to run the business, which she does very well.
My name is Alina Rodriguez. I'm the office manager of the Sarasota location for Suncoast Diesel Marine. We work on customers who have gasoline or diesel, small engines to the biggest, if it's Volvo Penta, we work on it. One of the biggest challenges our customers face is the environment, whether it be from the salt water or if they hit something. Like we literally just worked on a customer this week that hit a crab trap. So he got hauled out. We took an oil sample of the drive just to make sure that no water got in there. So the oil sampling helps you get a good look at the health of the engine without tearing it down. You can tell if it has any water intrusion or metal shavings, if there's any clutch wear or indication of gear wear. That'll give you a good idea if it's healthy and all you got to do is service it, or if you got to take it apart and see what's going on with it.
We are warming up the engines in order to take accurate oil samples. We're running it right now, so the oil's mixing up because this boat has not been run in a few weeks, so any sediment or material that's in there would have sunk to the bottom. So by mixing it all up, we'll get a more accurate sample of what's going on.
Obviously, my technicians are the ones in the field. They are bringing me the sample kits. They put the oil in them, they bring them back to me, indicating obviously which side is which. I open them all up, get the customer data sheet ready, and we fill them all out. You put the engine make, engine model, the type of oil it takes, last sample date. You fill that all out, indicate if you want it regular results. They also offer expedited results. When the samples are ready, they send me an email PDF and it breaks every component down. It's going to be either green, yellow, or red, indicating you're good, monitor, or repair. The actions taken by the customer after they receive the oil analysis report really depends on what comes back on the report. So if it's green, no action necessary. If it's yellow, we always recommend you service it and then monitor it for, I think it's 50 hours or half the normal service interval. And then you take another sample and see if it's still good, or if it still indicates a problem, then you would start diagnosing and making an assessment of what you think is going on with it. I think it is important to use the Volvo lab because they know exactly what they're looking for. They know all the specs of the Volvo fluids. Volvo is one of the best companies I've ever had to deal with because they're nice. So you call in and you get somebody that is a real person that you're talking to, that cares, that looks into it, that makes sure that you get an answer at the end of the day for whatever you're looking for. I really do love Volvo. Every department, whether it be parts, warranty, they're just all good, genuine people.